Dr. Pooper sent for my review this toilet bowl and septic cleaner combo. It's really, really cool because it will obviously clean and add bacteria, up to 40 times the amount of bacteria that you actually need with this little powder, all into the septic, all into the drain field. This is where the septic, this is actually where we had issues. We had to actually dig up and spend so much time, so much headache just to actually fix pipes. With this, you continuously help your septic basically be healthier. And the greatest thing is you do this inside your house, at the bathroom level in your toilet. And it's a combo because it also will kind of like foam action and clean your toilet bowl at the same time. I can't wait to test it out, and we're doing this right now. We're in the bathroom right now. I will be treating this toilet and therefore the whole entire pipe and septic tank system that we have here. I love what they're saying, like after the flush, you see the whole kind of like, they explain what it's doing into the septic tank and then of course into the drain field or the leach field, which is really nice. So how you're doing this, you have about 16 treatments in this little package and it is a powder form, as you can tell. And all I'm gonna do is put 2 of these because there's a little scooper in here, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these, literally just go like that, into the toilet. Oh, look at that. So cool. So it is foaming, and what they're saying is basically to wait about 3 minutes. So we're gonna let it foam for about 3 minutes, and we'll be right back. So I did read on the package that it actually sent to use 3 scoops. So I added the 3rd scoop, and I'm ready. I've been waiting about 3 minutes. Look at that thick foam. So all you're gonna do, because this basically is also a toilet bowl cleaner, a sanitizer, on top of being full of enzymes. And this special formula, actually, once it hits your septic, will produce and multiply your septic's enzymes and bacteria up to 40 times, which is incredible. Look at this. Super, super nice. It's still foaming. Very, very milky. And when I'm done, all I need to do is flush this. And I know that the entirety of the package of, the foaming action of the actual bacteria and enzyme is getting and going straight into my septic. And then it's going to be working for weeks and weeks. I love this thing. Absolutely a must if you have a septic tank or a drain field.